There are people who have been criticizing government. The only person who could be picked by that criticism is government. And so government is abducting these people in an attempt to intimidate them. So to try and pretend that they don't know what is happening is not acceptable. And that's why I reiterate the call I made on 26th, that the Inspector General of Police, the DCI, even the director of the NIS, if it's true that they don't know what's going on, should resign. If they know what's going on and they are doing nothing, they should resign. Because they are incapable to perform the duties for which the Kenyans have appointed them and keep them in office. So I reiterate my call that the Inspector General of Police, the Director General of the DCI, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, and the Director of the NIS should pack their goods and go. Because we cannot allow this form of incompetence in public office. Extreme incompetence that borders on sabotaging the security of the Kenyan people. We cannot allow public officials to keep on sabotaging our security to a point whereby when we walk, we are fearing that the security forces are going to disappear from the streets.